Hey guys, it's Miss Martinez here. I'm gonna start with saying that I miss you guys so much. I'm really hoping I can see y'all again. Um, I am creating this video so I can show you what your writing assignment is going to be looking like this week. Forgive me, I might be writing on my screen a little bit to show you something, so just bear with me. Here you're seeing my Google Classroom screen. You can see this is Miss Crow's class. It's the same for Miss Sanders. So here on Tuesday Writing Challenge, it's going to give you information about your writing challenge pretty much for the whole week. So we are working on procedural texts. And procedural texts are not like expository texts that we've been writing all year. They're a little bit different. Procedural, it kind of sounds like the word procedure. I know a procedure is an order of steps that you take to get a job done. So that's what we're going to be working on this week. So our instructions say you're going to create a recipe, which is a procedural text, and you are going to create this recipe to tell a reader how to get a certain item accomplished. We're doing a recipe because recipes are pretty are a pretty common type of procedural text. Remember, a recipe includes a list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions. So you're going to take a look. It says take a look around your kitchen. Maybe there's a recipe book or cards in somewhere that you can look at to get an example, or you can visit this right here. Oh, wow. My camera. So you're going to decide on what type of recipe you're going to write. Do not copy it from a cookbook, please. I want to see your own creations or a family recipe, something that your mom cooks for you all the time. And then you are going to create a list of ingredients that you're going to need. Remember to be specific on the amount of each ingredient. Take a picture and submit. So the Tuesday writing challenge is to create your list of ingredients. On to Wednesday, you'll have a different challenge. Thursday, you have a different challenge until you have a completed procedural text to submit on Friday. So really quickly, I'm going to take you here. Draw, pen, and it's working. Okay, so here I have a little anchor chart, and it tells you a little bit about procedural text and how to create a procedural text. So you're going to write about something you are an expert at. That means the recipe that you're creating, you should know how to do it, right? The first step is to list materials needed. So that is your writing challenge for Tuesday. You're going to list materials needed. You can bullet point them. So if I'm making, I don't know, chocolate chip cookies, I know I need chocolate chips. And on and on and on. I can bullet with bullet points, however you want to do it. And then you're going to use, it says you're going to use order words like first, next, then, before, after, finally. Those are really important because after you have your list of ingredients, you are going to be giving me probably like a paragraph or a step-by-step set of instructions. So you're going to have to tell your reader, first you're going to do this, next you're going to do this, then you're going to do this, second you're going to do this. So it's important to use these transition words right here. It's also important for your reader to maybe have some pictures or drawings that show what you're doing. I know whenever I'm reading a set of instructions to build a shelf or something, I like to have pictures. Pictures really help me, and I know that a lot of people feel the same way. So that's going to be a writing challenge this week as well, is to add pictures or drawings to show the different steps to your writing. And then here it says include action words: cover, cut, dig, glue, kick, give, mix, paint, pour, put, roll, move, spread, turn. So those are some action words. I know a lot of our action words are going to have to do with cooking. Let me erase this real quick. So let's talk about a graphic organizer that we can use. So first I want a box, a rectangle, that just gives me the objective of what we're doing. So we are going to, let's see, we are going to make pancakes. I spelled that wrong. Race. Just a sentence that tells me what we're going to be doing. Then you'll have a larger box. And this is where you are going to have your ingredients. You can list them like this. Flour, eggs, milk. You get it. And then we are going to have more rectangular boxes down here. And this is where you're going to give step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on and so forth. However many steps your recipe needs, that's up to you. So this is the graphic organizer I expect to see. Remember, you don't have to finish this all in one day. This is a whole week project. So today I'm just asking for this box right here that is listing ingredients. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to comment here on this assignment, send me a text, send me an email, whatever the case may be. And I will see you guys soon. Enjoy. I'm so excited to see your recipes, and who knows, maybe I will try one. How about that? How about I pick the best one, the one that I think will be the tastiest, and I will make it and I will send a picture to you. Yes, I'm going to do that. All right, guys, have a good one, and I will see you soon.